Hi, welcome back. We have Daniel Garza with South County Lexus, who's in charge of all of the maintenance and service. Would that be correct?
Correct.
And he's going to tell us what it's like once you've purchased your car. So tell me a little bit about, the service department, why it's better than other service departments.
Thanks again for being here with us today and visiting our service department. There's a lot of things that we feel makes our dealership and our service department very different. And really, to answer that question, I could go on, and it's a whole lot of different things. But really, it does come down to the staff. We pride ourselves on having an award-winning team here who really truly understands that the most important part of their job is to come in every day and never forget what it's like to be the customer. We put our customers first. We try to make sure that we respect their time and their vehicle as well. We want to make sure that we're maintaining it to the highest standards. So we have some of the best technical staff here. We have 30 technicians on staff, 18 of which are master certified Lexus technicians. So we're really proud to promote that we have more master trained Lexus technicians on staff than any of our surrounding dealerships. And our processes, make us great as well. We try to make sure that everything is very seamless from your reception into service until the very end. And we do that by making sure that we only have one person help you out exclusively the entire time that you're here, so you don't have multiple people calling you.
Mm-hmm.
So you really will have your own guy or gal here to help you out every time you come in. And when you come in, we remember who you are, and we truly do try to treat you like a guest in our own home. So I'd love to, show you a little bit more a little bit later so that you can understand better. But really just the staff. A really great team that we have here to help out our guests.
That's something that Pat actually was talking about, is the employees. Everybody really prides themselves working here, and they are very helpful. So in regards to being helpful to our Laguna Woods clients, technology has changed so much. And going forward, I'm assuming that the service is going to change too.
Right.
So how do you help your clients with the new technology?
Okay, that's a great question. The cars are changing so fast today, and all the computers on board. Some of these cars now have 60 or 70 plus computers, and they're really, really advanced. So with autonomous braking and pre-collision systems, safety, not only the safety, but the infotainment systems that have been just truly advanced by leaps and bounds over the past 5 years, we've had to be very sensitive to that. So when you purchase a car from us, we have what we call our gurus, right? Our technical team to help you out, and we'll spend time with you, almost do a class with you on the car to deliver the vehicle to you and make sure that you don't have any questions. But we understand too that as soon as you drive off the lot, you're going to have 100 other questions that come to mind, right? And even more before your first service. So we make sure that on our service drive, all of our team members that are helping customers as they come in are also trained on that same technology, just like our delivery and technology specialists at the time of purchase. So on our service drive, we have 13 valets that are all cross-trained in all that technology, and they're literally there to be almost like your concierge when you come in to help answer any of those questions. They'd be happy to sit in the car with you, teach you how to pair your phone, go over some of the highlights of certain features, and if you have questions, we really want to make sure that you take that time at your first service or even your second service or any time in between to really just take advantage of the information that we have up there on the service drive so that you can ultimately enjoy the car.
Right.
Many times customers are driving around the vehicle and they're not really truly enjoying all the features and benefits that the car has to offer. And when we're able to explore that, we find that they just feel so much more comfortable in their vehicle and that they really are taking advantage of all those really nice systems that are on the car. So, and then for guests that need that extra attention at home, maybe with a garage door programming or some certain features with the vehicle, we're always open to make a house call too and come out and visit you at home.
Oh, that's excellent information to know. Let's talk about what is it called? The certified pre-owned Lexus.
Yes.
So what does that mean to a customer?
The Lexus certified pre-owned is the next best thing, obviously, to getting a brand new car, right? And they come with a pretty phenomenal guarantee. They also come with a great package of services that are already prepaid at the time of purchasing that vehicle. Lexus offers now 4 complete services to be performed on that vehicle over the course of the first 2 years after purchasing the car, to try to make sure that at least the first couple years of ownership are very, very easy for you. No out of pocket additional expense on service needs. So you're going to get 4 services to be performed within 2 years, and then on top of that, you're going to get a ironclad nationwide guarantee on this car to make sure that the car that you're investing in is protected from bumper to bumper. So you get the same warranty as in purchasing a brand new car for a total of 6 years from that car's birth date of when it was first built. And that's at any Lexus dealership in the country. Okay. So on top of that, any repair work that you perform at our dealership here, you're going to get to take advantage of a industry-leading 2-year unlimited mileage guarantee on any repair work that we perform on this dealership. That's double the Lexus guarantee that we're required to give, which is 1 year unlimited mileage. So all repairs and service work performed at South County Lexus come with a 2-year unlimited mileage guarantee.
So that does seem quite a bit different than other dealerships, not necessarily by Lexus, but just overall.
Overall, we're one of the few Lexus dealerships in the area that's AAA approved. And when AAA approved us to be on their program, that was a requirement that we gave all of our clients a 2-year unlimited mileage guarantee.
Well, very good information.
Yeah.
I think you've covered all the service questions in one. So why don't you do me a favor and maybe take me on a tour out there?
Sure, absolutely. I'd love to do that. Take you out to the service drive and show you a little bit of what's going on out there.
I'd like to see the new technology. So if you have any questions about South County Lexus or their service, you can go to their website at southcountylexus.com. We'll be right back after this.